Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how I use intense contrast between my light petals and the dark underside of the flower to really add drama to this peony. Peonies are one of my favourite flowers to paint, and once I've painted in the light pink and white petals, shading around their edges to add shadow and create form, I can begin to add the more intense colour that really defines the petals and adds a dramatic twist to this otherwise paler and more delicate flower. So I start by adding in the pink edging. All of these darker colours tend to be on the outside petals and sepals of the peony. I build up the intense colour in layers, merging each different colour that I can see into the next one using a wet into wet technique. And then I use my smallest brush to add in these flecks of colour on the surface of the petal. It really adds a lot to your painting if you pay attention to all the different textures and patterns on the surface of your petals. And then just carefully add in all of this detail to make a really rich and interesting painting. Once I've got my main colours down, using a thicker saturation of paint, I come back in over the top and really deepen up my colours. I love to create these really strong colours, as this is what creates the drama in your painting, the extreme contrast between these deep rich colours and the light, whiter, more delicate petals. I also use my damp brush to make sure that the edges of the colour or the detail that I've painted in is kept nice and soft, so that I have a smooth transition of colour and tonal value within each petal. So here again, I'm very careful to add in these smaller areas of detailed colour that I can see on the edges of the petal, as this is what builds up a really interesting surface pattern and really helps the final image to just pop off the paper. It really brings your image to life. There's a full tutorial of this peony flower in my watercolour members club, so if you'd like to paint along with me, come over and take a look. The link is below this video, and make sure you like and subscribe for more tips and techniques that are coming up. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.